It's a beautiful spring day and I decide to go for a walk. Today I want to share with you how I make my memo pads using my laptop and also my cutting tool, which is Silhouette Portrait. I needed registration mark on my cardstock that I'm using for backing paper. And here is how I cut my backing paper. First, trace the registration mark on the cardstock that you're using. Here I'm using a black ink pen to color in the registration mark because pencil marks are too light and the machine will not recognize it. And now I'm ready to cut it. This was my first attempt to make memo pads. Here I'm counting the pages for each one. Now I need binder clips, glue, and a small paintbrush. Because the binder clips will hold the pages from side to side, here I'm putting on some cardstock papers to protect the pages before putting on the binder clips. After some research on YouTube, I decided to try this Mod Podge that I have at home. Just a small amount on the tip of the brush is plenty. Now all you need to do is apply it evenly on the top of the memo pad. And that's it. Usually it should dry in few hours time. I waited overnight to make sure it's all dry. And this is it. And the pages peel off. Nice and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!